Hey, Indiana Mermaid here, and we are at McCormick's Creek State Park. The kids are looking at the snakes right now.
Huh? You look now.
Check out the snakes.
Can I go?
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
No. So, yeah, we're looking at all the different animals. This is the turtles. Ooh, look at the look at that big turtle. They're swimming over the thing now. Going crazy.
Hi. That's a snapping turtle. Can I pet it?
No.
Daddy can. No, it's
No.
a snapping turtle. Why can't you pet it?
Because it's a snapping turtle.
It won't snap you. That will.
But did you guys see the puppet show?
There's two little ones.
Right in here, there was animals. Come on. Here's the puppet show. Look, you get in there, and you get the puppets, and you make a puppet show. See? Go out there and I'll show you. Go sit in the rocking chair.
You scared me.
Hi, Drake.
I want in here.
No.
That lady's
We think the lady's creepy. The statue, yeah, pretty creepy. Let's go over in the cave and show the YouTubers what the cave looks like. Remember, we were in it a minute ago. It's over here.
It is over in the buffalo.
And this is the cave. Formed by water. Wolf Cave is a solution cave. Solution caves are formed by water acting on limestone. Eventually, some of the water reaches an area already filled with water. The water, combining the carbon dioxide, forms a weak acid that dissolves the limestone, forming cavities and passageways. After the water table lowers, the passageways drain and are filled with air.
That's why it wasn't there. No, it wasn't.
See, look.
Is it real cave? Big cave.
These animals live within Wolf Cave. These animals reside near the cave entrance in an area known as the Twilight Zone. The light is dim, the temperature remains fairly constant, and conditions are damp. Many cave animals have longer antennas, legs, or hair. They rely on sense of touch to navigate.
What's up, Frosty drink? Why is his name Frost? I dare you to touch that thing, right?
Look, that's a coyote.
I know.
Historically, coyotes were found in the prairies of northwestern and western Indiana. They eat voles, rabbits, mice, possum, insects, and plants. A large part of the diet is carrion.
Is the gun? Can we play one? No, that's the gun what shot that thingy.
It says these animals were not killed to be stuffed. They were found dead, either hit by cars by natural causes or succumbed to sickness and disease. Many were donated or found on the property.
Can we touch them? No, stop.
Look at this. That's cool. They made out of bottle caps.
Red, white, and blue. Oh, yeah. That's a deer. We probably got hit.
So there's a scavenger hunt.
Yep. Going on all day today.
Oh, cool. Do you guys want to do this?
Yes, yes. Where?